Hi everyone, it's Greg King and welcome to my video on how to get to the top of Google #1 ranking for free in minutes using this simple 5-step formula. In this video, I'm going to share with you how powerful this simple 5-step formula is for getting your videos on the front page and ranking #1 on Google and YouTube. The 1-2 punch for the most popular searches on the internet, period. And how important it could be for your business, or would be for your business. And then I'm going to actually share a link down below and also in the comment section. And in a moment, I'm going to actually show you how powerful this program is and how powerful these steps are and how incredibly it's consistency every single time. Now, what I've noticed ever since this COVID outbreak is there's been a tremendous shift in buyer shopping habits. And no longer are they starting to kick tires and just go store to store. They're probably a little more cocooning, staying inside, and a little more fearful of this virus. And what's done for that is people now are going online. They're going to Google. 75% of the people now are searching online for their product or service on Google, then going to YouTube to actually verify that the company is reliable, has good ratings, and is authentic. Now, for your business, if you could grab a number of these people for your niche. And by the way, this has nothing to do with any kind of product. It works for hair styles, it wears for massage therapy, plumbing, electricity, real estate, any product it works for. It's not a product, it's a system. And the system is designed to get you up and going almost immediately on Google and YouTube. And no more waiting to have your rankings go up in 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 months, but literally immediately. And what I've noticed also is that websites now are kind of a thing of the past. People don't search websites anymore. They search Google. And the question comes up is, if you can have a stranglehold on your niche and be a leader in your advertising industry on the first page. And I'm going to show you how I've got the first page completely tied up. What would that do to your business? How would that look for your business? Especially if you actually get yourself out to millions or locally. And it works great even if I've actually had friends now that have come to me and are using this process and they're selling products on Shopify and they're no longer using Google Ads. They're using this system and because it's free. Now, I like to show you a couple of these examples here, but first I'm actually going to put the link below right here and you can check it out and see if it makes sense. You be the judge. I can tell you this Paul Murphy has got a very powerful program. And once again, it works. So I'm going to show you right now. And on our first, hold on a sec here. Let me get organized here. On our first, slide, it's example 1, where I actually went first page on YouTube, first page ranking, first page on Google, and first page in the video carousel on Google in just 16 minutes. All ranked #1, all on the first page, and all for free. Second one, same thing, first page of Google, first page of YouTube, #1 in the Google carousel, and this just took 2 minutes, and it has incredible staying power. The third is the same thing, first on YouTube, first on Google, first in the carousel. This took an astounding 9 minutes. We'll kind of slip in there. But you can see how it's not a 24-hour system, but it can be done in mere minutes, taking advantage of this 5-step formula. The next one, this is pretty cool. It was first page on YouTube, first on Google, first in the carousel, and it just took 3 minutes. And you can see the people below, they've been in there for maybe 6 months to 2 or 3 years. And I just ranked #1 literally immediately. The fifth, now it's starting to get a little monotonous, but it's all about me, is in just 2 minutes, I'm on the first page of Google and the first page of YouTube. Now, what gets really cool is this was on the first page of YouTube, and it took 1 minute. Now, because I'm putting out videos, YouTube and Google are giving me a little more loving, and what they're doing is they're starting to combine my videos, and it's part of the algorithm, and it's probably the most powerful algorithm in the world. And they've actually ranked one of my previous videos in the number 3 spot. The next example is organically posted. And here's what I was saying is once you get some some videos going on YouTube, your rankings will start to skyrocket. And you can see I've got ranking 1, 3, 4, 5, 80% of the rankings. And the other fellow that I'm above now, his ranking took 10 months to get there. And I just popped over him in a matter of minutes, and it shows 3 weeks here, but literally I did it in minutes. Example 8, and this is what I was mentioning before, is how powerful this could be for your business if people actually Googled your product or service and the first page was all you. You would crush the competition with this. This is the 100% positioning on the first page. So if you're selling electrical, if you're a realtor, this is more powerful than using the MLS because people are searching for areas on Google first. And if you came up as like number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they won't go anywhere. Typically, they won't go past probably the 3rd or 5th or 6th ranking. They definitely, rarely go on to the 2nd page in Google. Now, example number 9 is talking about the carousel. The carousel's at those 3 or 4 videos that go by constantly at the very beginning. And you can see here, I'm at the very top of Google search. All 3 of my videos, I've got basically a stranglehold on the carousel here. And I didn't even put in the right search. I put in a slightly different search and the same style of theme popped up. Same again. I put in a slightly different search and boom, there I am, number 1, 2, 3 again. So I hope you're starting to see how incredibly powerful it is and how incredibly reliable it is and consistent and getting on the first page. This is all done organically. It stays up there. Plus, it's all done for free. And once again, you can imagine how you could crush the competition with this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave, once again, a link in the picture at the bottom here and also in the comments below. And take a look at it. Once again, you be the judge, see if it makes sense. I promise you that these 5 steps that I'm doing have been worked through with Paul on the video that I'd like to share with you. If you've enjoyed this video and found it informative, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and leave a comment below. And we'll see you in the next video.